Okay, thank you, Greg, for the intro. Let's start, everyone, the last but not the least. So in today, I'm trying to maximize the insight from customer feedback. I believe in today's digital age, business and consumers are inundated with an overwhelming amount of online feedback. And the challenge of sifting through these feedbacks and extract actionable insight for the company, and at the same time, for the consumers, since they are seeing all these conflicting reviews. So I thought an app could be a help to this problem. So this, what it does is just generate both semantic and numerical information based on the reviews. And it can be, I applied it to like finance companies because I work in finance, but it could be even applied to small businesses. And then before going towards more details, let's look at the design map. So this is how it's going to work. First of all, I use LangChain RAG pipeline with N2 SQL. And my data also was from Trustpilot and BBB reviews, Better Business Bureaus, for a couple of the finance companies that they compete each other. I use Apify to kind of scrape the websites and the data from them. So basically, user give a request, the request classifier agent decide based on the prompt that I gave, whether to go to SQL or go to the retriever that has the semantic reviews in it. And based on that, run the query, get the retrieved data, pass it to the LLM, generate user response. And also a few more details would be, I would say that I found it on LangChain documentation, which I really like it, and I wanted to give it a try for myself. What I did is I built a few-shot prompt based on the user input, which helped the model to kind of better query by refreshing the relevant query. And kind of that approach use semantic similarity example selectors, which I give it like a couple of the examples that kind of help to do the query better. And also in my template, like prompt engineering, I ask it not to delete, drop, or insert any like, table, and kind of prompting that how to retrieve the result and get back to the user. Let's go, run it on Hugging Face. Okay. So this is like the kind of how it's gonna look. Let me just jump to this tab first, look at the semantic, and then we try on the other one, the SQL. So for example, I ask about some of the good reviews on One Main Financial as a title, it gives me. I ask about how some of the like maybe good reviews are having, and for today I keep it sweet. We are not working with bad reviews today. And it gives me the title. So now let's try to see how it acts with the SQL. Let's say what is the average rating for another company, maybe event company based on BBB source. Let's say it works. And a little bit of using the agent. So the average rating for event-based sustainability is 1.1, which I really like that it gives shows the step that it goes through. And can you still see my screen, guys, for the next slide?
Yes.
Yes, great. And then if I want to talk about all the challenges and maybe future works that I would say, is like, first of all, process all these, scraping and having all these data in the back kind of needs the computational resource. And then that's why at the same time that I wanted to like ship it and have it on the Chainlit is like, because it takes, sometimes it crashes. So I had to kind of limit the amount of the data that it processed in the back. And personally, what I believe is based on what also we learned in this cohort, and had also chance to look at other into SQL with like Llama index, I would say personally, based on my experience, Llama index, maybe it would be more straightforward for doing this job. And then definitely the thing that I learned also, and I want to maybe work more on that, is prompt engineering. I would say that's like quite bit a whole new word for itself, because during when I was implementing this, I realized that if I be like have a vagueness in my prompting, it definitely just get the hallucination, and maybe it does not respond as it needs to. And I'm planning to like have this in front of my managers, kind of to have it as a help in our marketing team, because I see the needs in that. And I guess that would be all. And at the end, I want to have the chance just to say thank you to all the peer supports, specifically Juan. He helped me a lot. And also thank you, Dr. Greg and Biz. I really enjoyed this cohort. And the floor is open to questions.